Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start a fashion business on Shopify. Incredibly powerful, and a lot of you have been asking about this because starting a fashion brand is probably one of the most common requests I get when it comes to starting your own Shopify e-commerce business. And this video is going to teach you how to do it the right way. And one of the most profitable niches in all of e-commerce is fashion. Really popular because lots and lots of customers can buy your product, and not only that, they'll buy multiples of your product every single year in and year out. People are always buying more clothes, they're always buying new popular styles, and a really popular strategy right now is to start your own fashion brand by sourcing high quality fashion products from CCWholesaleClothing. I'm going to show you MyOnlineFashionStore, really powerful way for you to jump right into this business model, and we'll get more into that as I go over the shoulder. But there are some pain points that you might run into when you want to go ahead and start your own fashion brand with Shopify. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You need to find your own partner. I'm going to show you the partner that I recommend, the partner that I use, and the partner that you pick should have really great product selection and great pricing so you could have really strong profit margins. And just as important, the partner that you select should have great customer support so it could help you grow your business and be available at any time you need help. And that's why you're going to use MyOnlineFashionStore by CCW or CCWholesaleClothing. You see the link directly below this video. It's a really turnkey program that's going to allow you to immediately jump into the fashion business with your very own brand and your very own Shopify store. And you see the link directly below this video. I'll bring it up real quick. You see MyOnlineFashionStore.com. There's also a Shopify app, and this is the best and quickest way to start your own fashion brand. It's a dropship turnkey website, fully done for you, fully ready to go. It's pre-programmed, it's pre-designed, and it's preloaded with all of these great fashion items. You see over here, over $6 million sold by the dropship members that use MyOnlineFashionStore. Incredibly powerful. So many different great products out there on pretty much any platform that you can imagine. Of course, there's Shopify, you have the Bootcamp, you have WooCommerce, the Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, eBay, Wish, Poshmark, and more. So many different ways to do it. And the bottom line is it's all about using the great products available through MyOnlineFashionStore. You're going to immediately have a turnkey e-commerce website with great products, all US-based drop shipping with quick priority shipping. This is, again, the best way to start a fashion brand. And you could easily jump right into it over here in terms of going Shopify with your drop shipping business. Of course, there's no doubt it's the best platform, and you could jump right into it with MyOnlineFashionStore. Having the entirety in terms of everything set up on your on the Shopify side of things with products from MyOnlineFashionStore. So you don't need to do anything other than just get started and build your brand, because the website, the program, everything set up fully for you. You'll get your own brand. You'll get your own e-commerce site ready to go. There's no extra things that you need. There's no photo shoots. There's no hiring models. There's no, ordering 1,000 pieces up front. When you become a MyOnlineFashionStore dropship member, you're just ready to go. You have the ability to select from different themes over here that will give you different looks in terms of how your site's going to look and feel. But the bottom line is you'll have access to these high quality products that your customers are going to absolutely love. Now you're looking at the Shopify app. Again, you see the link directly below this video for MyOnlineFashionStore. Really powerful in terms of getting all of these high quality products. You see some of them over here available into your Shopify store. Again, you can get that turnkey website as well. Really powerful. But if you have an existing store, you could very easily add products from MyOnlineFashionStore right into your own store. And the really cool part is they have new items every other week. They have over 6,000 items ready to ship. And these items are sourced from local manufacturers based in Los Angeles, California. We're not talking about 3 or 4 or 5 week shipping time from China. This is USA based right in Los Angeles, and they guarantee order delivery of a maximum 5 to 7 business days. Incredibly quick. And this easy to use Shopify app on top of that really makes it easy. A lot of people also opt in to do that turnkey dropshipping program membership just so you get a store very quickly. But you see all the different things that are available inside here in My Online Fashion Store. It's an app that is really simple to use and includes everything that you could ever possibly imagine in terms of getting your products out there. So you have a couple different options in terms of working with CCWholesaleClothing and My Online Fashion Store. Incredibly powerful. The bottom line is you're going to get access to these really great products. So you could do that turnkey website, right? You could have your ready to go, fully programmed, fully filled with product Shopify store done for you, right? They'll do it for you. Or you could have the app added into your store. You could add their products in here, over 6,000 different products, always adding more as well. Just really, really powerful. There's also things like custom packaging, custom logo design, right? Of course, great support, as I mentioned before, via phone, email, and live chat. They're always available for you to make sure that they're taking great care of you. And you see the really high 4.4 out of 5-star reviews on close to 300 reviews here. The bottom line is My Online Fashion Store is the #1 option when it comes to starting your own fashion store. And it's as simple as just signing up, getting one of those turnkey dropship stores, and you're off and running with your own fashion brand on Shopify. I couldn't recommend them any higher. Really, really recommend you to check them out to see for yourself just how powerful this is. You see the link directly below this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hope this helps you make a lot of money in the fashion niche.